Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to magnify text while typing in any Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open any web browser and you need to visit to this website. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website. So once you visit to this website, you can see its web page. So here you can see a download option. Just click on download. So you can see here download version. Just click on it. So you can see here it's downloading. So the download has been completed. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded. So just unzip this file by double left clicking. Click on extract. So you can see here a folder. So what you need to do, when you double left click it, you can see here it's been running, and you can see in the bottom too here the icon. So it's been running. So you can see here big type is on. You can click on setup to set up also display time, zoom depth, how much zoom you want to increase or decrease. You can see lens positions where you want to change. I'll keep it as default. You can resize magnifying lens when you can restore to default. So I will keep it as it is right now. So what I will do now, just I will click on minimize. So let's type something. So let me open a notepad. So let's check it whether it works or not. So you can see while I type, it's zooming or magnifying the text while I'm typing. So you can clearly see it's magnifying the text that you are typing on your Windows computer. So in this way you can magnify text while typing in any Windows computer by using this cool application named as Big Type. So if you never known about this cool application, then download it today. And if you find any difficulty in using this application, feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.